Hi there, have you ever wondered what the .NET framework is all about? Well, let me break it down for you. The .NET framework consists of some key components, like the Common Language Runtime, CLR, and the Framework Class Library, FCL. Think of the CLR as your personal language translator. It takes your code written in different languages, like C# or VB.NET, and makes sure it runs smoothly on your computer. And the FCL, it's like a treasure chest filled with ready-to-use tools and functions for developers. It saves you from reinventing the wheel, making your life a whole lot easier. Now, .NET framework is used in a real-world application. Imagine we're building a web app. We can use ASP.NET, a powerful framework within the .NET family. With the help of ASP.NET, we can easily create dynamic web pages, handle user input, and interact with databases. It's like having a super efficient assistant that takes care of all the complex stuff. The benefits of using .NET framework: security, scalability, etc. I choose the .NET framework, you ask? Well, besides making development easier, it provides top-notch security to keep your applications safe. Plus, it's highly scalable, allowing your app to handle more and more users as your business grows. And let's not forget the incredible flexibility and compatibility it offers. You can build applications for Windows, Mac, or even mobile devices. So to wrap it up, the .NET framework is like your trusted ally for developing efficient, secure, and compatible applications. Ready to dive into the world of .NET framework? Start building with it today. Your imagination is the only limit. Are you looking to develop applications for web, desktop, mobile, or cloud platforms? Then C#, developed by Microsoft, is the language for you. With strong typing, automatic garbage collection, and adherence to object-oriented principles, C# offers a modern and efficient way to create powerful applications. The language provides a common type system in .NET, ensuring consistency across different types of data. Not only that, but C# also handles memory management automatically through the .NET Runtime's garbage collector, which manages memory allocation and deallocation. For those new to garbage collection, it operates through 3 generations, with objects being allocated and eventually promoted after surviving multiple collections. To release unmanaged resources, .NET Framework offers 2 methods: dispose and finalize. Dispose is called explicitly by user code and frees unmanaged resources, while finalize is called by the garbage collector and has performance cost. With C# and .NET, you can code efficiently and effectively, knowing that memory management and resource release are handled with ease. If you want to understand .NET and memory management in C#, it's essential to know its components and the code compilation process. The .NET framework includes the original Windows-only platform for legacy applications, .NET Core for modern applications, and the unified .NET 5 and later platform, the C#. Compiler converts source code into intermediate language, and the just-in-time JIT compiler converts EL code into native machine code at runtime. Memory allocation in C# involves 2 main areas: the stack, which handles static memory allocation, and the heap, which manages dynamic memory allocation. These play a crucial role in the execution and management of memory in C#, ultimately contributing to the overall performance of your applications.